Good morning, students. Today we are going to take some more problems of exercise 7.3, which is we discussed yesterday. So the question number third, in which some numbers are given us. Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. These numbers are given. And we want to make a 3-digit number which is even. How many digits are here? We have 6 digits. Total 6 digits. And a number which we are going to make, how many numbers that number have? 3 digits. A 3-digit number which is even we have to make. तो what is the mean of this thing कि हमें even number 3 digit का बनाना है. How many 3 digit numbers are available here? 2, 4 and 6. So the unit position of that number is fixed. That is either 2 or 4 or 6. Rest of the numbers can take other 2 places in that number. और जनरली अपन इसको दूसरे तरीके जनरल से लें NPR टाइप में. इफ यू वांट टू एक्सप्रेस दिस वन देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. टोटल डिजिट्स 6 means n equals to 6 and here r equals to 3. We want to take 3 digits from that to make a 3-digit number. So total ways are NPR, which means 6P3, that is 6 into 5 into 4, 120. But in these 120 numbers, half are even and half are odd. But even numbers are half of this one, that is 60. तो जो नंबर्स अपन यहाँ बनाएंगे वो आधे इवन होंगे और आधे ओड होंगे. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग द हाफ ऑफ दिस वन. आप दूसरा तरीका भी अपना सकते थे जिसके अकॉर्डिंग अपन ये कह सकते हैं कि लास्ट पोजीशन को चूज करने के लिए 3 ऑप्शन है और बाकी 2 पोजीशन को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए 5P2 ऑप्शन है. तो 5P2 into 3 you will get the same result. एक ही बात है, उससे कर लें या इससे कर. Now we are taking the next problem. Now in the next problem, the question number 4 is, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are some numbers. Given numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the value of n is 5. And we want to make a 4-digit number. You are making a 4-digit number. So the value of r is 4. So total ways are 5P4, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, which means 120. These are 120. But one more condition applied here. In according to that condition, that number should be even. If we want to select a even number, then what is the process for that? How many even numbers are available here? So if you want to construct a 4-digit number, the unit position can fill by 2 ways. But that 4-digit number should be even. Even होना चाहिए. तो even होने के लिए what we have to do? The unit position can fill by 2 ways. Unit position can fill by 2 numbers, 2 or 4. So now we want to choose only 3 out of 4. Therefore, total ways for 4-digit number which is even also. So the unit position can fill by 2 ways, and the rest 3 position we want to select from the rest 4 digits. So 4p3 multiplied by 2, that is 4 into 3 into 2, and after that into 2. So we are getting only 48. तो यदि ये इवन ओड की कंडीशन हटा दें कि उसमें इवन ओड नहीं हो, तब तो टोटल वेज कितने रहेंगे? 120. बट अपन ये चाहें कि उसमें इवन और ओड की कंडीशन भी लागू रहे, तो इवन के लिए फिर अपने पास ये 48 वेज है. तो इस तरह से अपन इसको बना सकते हैं. दिस इज द वे. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is fifth, we have total 8 members, 8 persons are there, and want to construct a committee in which one is president and the other one is vice president. Any person cannot take more than one post. तो अब एक से ज्यादा पोस्ट पर वो रह नहीं सकता है. So from the 8 person, if we want to select president, then there are 8 ways we are having, because repetition is not allowed. Since total persons are 8, so if we want to select a president and a vice president, the repetition is not allowed. Then what we have to do in that case? The first person can select by 8 ways, and the second vice president can select by 7 ways, because repetition is not allowed here. So 8 multiplied by 7, you will get 56 is the answer. Just 56. Either you can write 8p2. So you will get the answer 8 into 7. This is the way to find out answer. तो ये अपना ये वाला क्वेश्चन था. Now we want to find out the value of n, and which is question number 6, in which n minus 1 p3 ratio n p4 is equals to 1 by 9. Such kind of questions, how we can solve these? Write the value of this one, factorial n minus 1 upon factorial n minus r, which means n minus 1 minus 3 divided by factorial n, np4, we are talking about this, n minus 4, and that is equals to 1 by 9. So multiplying, divide into multiply. So n minus 1, n minus 4, here is n minus 4, and we are taking n outside from this factorial, getting inside n minus 1. So n minus 4 cancel with this n minus 4, n minus 1 cancel with this n minus 1. The rest term is 1 by 9, which is equals to 9, reciprocal of this ratio. So the value of n is 9 here. तो अपन इस तरह से ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि अननोन नंबर की वैल्यू क्या है. दिस इज द वे टू फाइंड आउट दैट नंबर. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. And that is 7th is same type question as 6th, and taking 8th, in which equation word is given and how many words can be formed by this word equation having without mean or meaning. In 8th, we are having this. So how many alphabets are available here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total numbers are, total digits or alphabets, and equals to 8. And we want to take all these 8, but no alphabet is repeating here. That's why the total ways to form the words by using these 8 alphabets are, total ways to arrange all these is factorial 8. That is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the mean of that thing. And the product of all these is 40320. ये अपना इसका आंसर है एट क्वेश्चन का, कि इक्वेशन एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है, इसके अल्फाबेट्स को यूज करके अपन कितने और वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं, चाहे उसका कोई मीनिंग निकलता हो या नहीं निकलता हो, तो उसको कितने तरीके से बनाया जा सकता है. सेम इसी टाइप का अगला है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, जिसके अंदर अपने को दे रखा है मंडे वर्ड, और उस मंडे के अंदर इसी तरह की कंडीशन है. तो मंडे वर्ड में अपने पास क्या है 9th में, we are having here 6 alphabets in this word Monday. Total alphabets are n की वैल्यू है 6. Now we want to select, in first case, one time only 4 letters can be taken. If we are taking 4 letters from these, then total ways for arrangement if 4 letters are taken at a time. 4 लेटर लिए गए. So there are ways of 6p4, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. तो 4 into 3. बाकी जो 2 into 1 है वो नीचे वाले 2 into 1 से कैंसिल हो जाएगी. So 6 5 is 30, 4 3 is 12, 360 are the total ways. This is the first answer. And if you want to choose all these letters at a time, 6 के 6 एक साथ लिए जाए, that is the condition number 2. All 6 letters are taking at a time. In that case, what we have to do? In that case, we are having factorial n types, that is factorial 6, which means 6 5 4 3 2 1 gives 720. तो ये इसका सेकंड है जिसमें अपने को 720 अपने को मिल जाएंगे फैक्टोरियल 6 के अकॉर्डिंग. और थर्ड कंडीशन इसमें दी कि वहां पर हमें एक वोवेल से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. वोवेल्स है अपने पास 2, तो इन 2 को अपन डाल दें फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर, यानी स्टार्ट करने के लिए. तो वी हैव 2 ऑप्शंस, एंड इन द थर्ड इट इज गिवन दैट all words you can take together, but the first word should be an vowel. तो अपने पास पहले इस थर्ड के लिए बता रहा हूं कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन फिल करने के लिए 2 ऑप्शंस है. आइदर वी कैन चूज O और वी कैन चूज A. तो ये अपने पास होंगे, और बाकी के जो बचे हुए 5 रह गए वो इनटू में फैक्टोरियल 5 के हिसाब से आ जाएंगे. So 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 4 20 60 120 and 2 240. So these are the ways to find out the total ways if the first letter should be a vowel. तो ये उसके लिए अपने इस तरह से करना. तो ये कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने की. रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैव टू डू इन दिस एक्सरसाइज. थैंक यू.